Hello everyone, myself Manjula Athani, HOD of Computer Engineering Department. Today I want to discuss with practical number 7 of Advanced Java Programming. This practical comes in the unit 2, that is swings. So practical 7, write a program to create J-tree. So J-tree is used to create a tree. Tree is mainly useful to represent the hierarchical information, means data is represented at different level, that is family tree. So in family tree, grandparents are there, from the grandparents, parents and then child. So grandparents are in level 1, parents are level 2 and children are level 3. So that is about the tree. So what are the practical significance? Tree is used to represent the hierarchical view of data. The tree tool shows the data in tree-like structure such as root and leaves. Relevant program outcome, that is POs of this 7, practical number 7. Basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiments and practice, engineering tools, individual and teamwork, and communication. These are the program outcomes of this practicals. So basic knowledge, apply the knowledge of basic mathematics, science and basic engineering to solve the computer group of related problems. Discipline knowledge, apply the computer programming knowledge to solve the computer group related problems. Experiments and practice, plan to perform experiments and practice to use the result to solve the computer group related programs. Engineering tools, apply relevant computer programming or technologies and tools with an understanding of the limitations. Individual and teamwork, function effectively as a leader and a team member in diverse or multidisciplinary teams. Communication, communicate effectively in moral and written form. Next, competency and practical skills. To develop standalone application using Swing components, the practical expected to develop the following skills. First one, able to implement J-tree with its methods and able to write the program using tree. Practical significance, tree is used to represent the hierarchical view of data. The tree control shows the data in tree-like structure such as root and its leaves. Relevant course outcomes, develop programs using GUI framework, AWT and Swing. Practical outcome, write a program to create tree. Next, relevant effective domain related outcomes, follow the precautionary measures, follow naming conventions, follow ethical practices. Minimum theoretical background, J-tree is a complex component. It has a root node at the topmost, which is for all the nodes in the tree. It inherits J component class. The constructors of the J-tree. Following are the constructors. We'll see the constructors in the various methods. These are the methods: get path for a location, get G small, path P for F and L are capital letters. This is the only single word, that is get path for location. It is used to translate the mouse click on the tree to tree path. And next method, that is get path location integer x comma y, where x and y are the coordinates at which the mouse is clicked. It returns the coordinates of the node, that is. Next, tree node interface. It declares the methods that obtain the information about the tree node. Mutual tree node interface. It extends the tree node. It declares the methods that can add and remove the child nodes and change the parent node. Default mutable tree node. Class implements the mutable tree node interface. So we will use the default mutable tree node, how to create the nodes in the programming concept. And here we are using add method. Void add method added the child to the current node. That is. So write a program to create and generate the following outputs. So this output, here we will see that how to create a tree in this swings. So first I will show the output, then you will come to know this. See, this is the tree. India is the parent most node. You are having two child nodes, that is Maharashtra and Gujarat. When I am clicking on this one, Maharashtra, it again contains the some of the cities are there in this Maharashtra node. Is it clear? So for this topmost node, which are the two nodes attached? One is Maharashtra, Gujarat. And after clicking on this node, again these are attached with this node. Is it clear? So we will see in the program. So here we are public class name extends JApplet. We are created the tree in this applet. So for this applet JTree we are declared, and container, that is container ka object kaun hai. So to retrieve the object of the container, you have to use this getContentPin method. So using this getContentPin, retrieving the object of the container, and after that you are setting the layout for that container, and then using this default mutable tree node class is present. That using this class we are creating the object of this nodes, that is India. This is the node name, and top is the object. And then default mutable tree node A equals new default mutable tree node Maharashtra, and adding this Maharashtra to the top node. And next same thing, we are creating default mutable tree node B equals new default mutable tree node Mumbai. So Mumbai where you are to adding, that is महाराष्ट्र का नोड के अंदर ऐड, महाराष्ट्र का नोड का ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है, ये है, दैट इज ये डॉट एड बी, ये डॉट एड सी, सी क्या है पुणे, नागपुर एंड नासिक. सो ऑल दीज cities we are adding to this A, that is A means that is Maharashtra. And after that default mutable tree node G equals new default mutable tree node Gujarat. So this state, Gujarat state, you are adding to this where top node, that is India. Is it clear how to add these nodes? And next we are creating the object of the J tree. So we are adding this top node to this J tree, that is T equals new J tree top, and after that this tree you have to add to the content pane. I think it is clear. So already it is there. So this Maharashtra and Gujarat object we are adding to the India object, that is top. top के लिए ये है, and after that महाराष्ट्र का object क्या है, ये है. You are adding to all this B, C, D, E. You are adding to this Maharashtra. Is it clear? Yes. See, next is what the questions in this practical number 7. That is, state the use of J tree in Swing. The J tree class is used to display the tree structure data of or hierarchical data. J tree is a complex component. It has a root node at the topmost, which is the parent for all the nodes in the tree. It inherits J components class. So I think it is clear. So in the previous we have example we have shown that this topmost node is created and we are adding the child node to that one. Second question, state the use of getPath for location method. JTree dot get path for location integer x comma integer y. There are the two parameters here passing for this get path for location method. Returns the path for the node at a specified location. That will retrieve the path for the node at the particular location, that is x and y. Example, that is public void mouse click mouse event. इवेंट हैंडलिंग में आएगा आपको ट्री पाथ TP इक्वल्स tree dot get path location, that is get X and get Y. So ME is the object of the mouse event. Mouse event dot get X method, and using this get Y, you are retrieving the coordinates of the X and Y. So this is what this get path for location method example. And list the different packages used to implement JTree programs. JTree program, so Java X dot swing and import Java X dot swing dot tree, default mutable tree node, swing utility and event. So these are the packages you are supposed to import for the JTree programs. That will complete this practical number 7.